Hi guys, this is Jeff at Slavens Racing. This video is about a build I've just completed on a 21 KTM 300 XCW. I built this for a customer. I do that, I don't know, every once in a while, every couple of years or something. I don't have a lot of time for that, but this guy that owns this bike is a very nice guy, and he wanted to beat it with a money stick, so it's my kind of build. And I'll try to remember every little detail here. I'll also list all the products that are on the bike below in the description section of this video, and I'll put it in links there to all of them so you can easily find the product to look at it more in detail if you'd like. So first of all, he's got some cool graphics here, at least I think they are. He's got the BB Pro Roadrunner on there. I don't know what the meaning is behind that. That must be have some significance to him. The only thing that is not on this bike yet is the seat. We've been having a hard time getting seat concepts. Seats, we order them, it takes about 2 months to get them. We've got tons of seats in stock, but it seems like sometimes we don't have the one we need. Anyhow, it will have a Seat Concepts comfort seat on it. And like I mentioned before, it's got his special graphics on it. It's got an oversized tank. That's the, I believe it's a 3.1 or 3.2. A Cherubies. Very nice tank. I'll start up here on the top. It's got the map switch for the GET ECU. So it's got a GET race kit on it. And Cycra handguards. Midwest Mountain Engineering. Not nice, we got the dogs whining in the background here, but sorry guys. Precision Concepts, not Precision Concepts, Precision Racing steering damper, parabolic damper. Very nice product. And let's see, we've got a, right here, if you can see it. Yeah, right there, there's the longer, I put a longer light switch on there. Makes it a lot easier to get to. It has the ODI grips with the cutout ends in them. All right, down here we've got our Slavens Mule TPS guard. You can probably see the GET ECU in there, the red piece. That's the part of it. That's the injector relocation piece. Under here, it's got one of our fuel taps. It's aluminum, so you don't have that breakage problem. And different connector and a filter. The Golan filter. And the connector's by Rottweiler, I believe. Those pieces are all pretty fragile in stock form. They're plastic and they break easily, so this build, like all builds, I'll try to make reliability, dependability the most important part. Down here we've got TM Designs SX chain guide. It's got stock gearing on it, 1352. Over here are the Fastway Evo 4-foot pegs. My favorite peg, stainless steel, very tough. Back here's our Slavens Mule swing arm protector. And then we've got these plastic protectors on here as well. I do a lot of little things in my builds like this. I zip tie them on like they come from the factory, but those things break easily and then these fall off on the trail. So I tap the swing arm and put a screw in there. Let's see here, guys. FMF 2.1 turbine core, silencer spark arrestor, zip tie racing shark fin. I really like those. They're just nice and clean. And then we've got the National Shock. Those are totally badass. and the Polysport graphics cards. Keeps you from tearing up your new graphics. Carbon clutch cover, those things are extremely tough. We've got our stainless fake pins here. XP skid plate, extreme version, which is 8 millimeters thick. FMF fatty pipe with the E-line carbon guard. I've got a fan kit on it from Trail Tech, and one of our S3 mule heads in there, and the Samco hose kit. I've ridden this bike a few times since I built it. It runs excellent. I mean, really nice low end grunt, really good throttle response. Pulls hard through the rest of the power band as well. It does not have a recluse clutch on it. It's one thing I would have put on it if I was building it for myself, but you know, I don't know how he rides or where he rides. Foolproof design radiator guards, those are the best there are. Let's see, I believe we put a cylinder guard up in there, that orange piece. It's got the Dingo fork guards on it. Those things are really give excellent protection. It's got tubeless front and rear. And on the rear, I've got a IRC VE33. That's an excellent tire. Our IRC is the new GX8. It's got a little more traction than that, but this tire is a great all-around gummy tire. In the front, the old tried and true Bridgestone M59. It's got MX Tech Slavens Mule Lucky cartridges in it, and forks. Obviously different springs, front and rear. This guy's a good sized guy. We've got System Tech Racing leaders on here. Fast flex handlebars. I'm trying to think what I'm forgetting here, guys. Oh, it's got a motor-minded HID headlight on it. Or, I'm not sure that's the correct name, but it's LED headlight, sorry. And BRP mounts for the Cycras. I know somebody's going to make a comment about how they're on there. They look upside down. You can mount them either way. It doesn't really matter. Just whatever gives you the best clearance. And I put them this way for clearance with the headlight. I also shortened the Cycra handguards. You know, they were kind of sticking out over into here. So I shortened those up. There's a lot of little details that I do during a build that I kind of forget about to tell you, but I just like to make sure that things fit correctly. All the different accessories blend together. And like I said, I'll put a big list below in the description section of the video to help you guys out, so you can, you know, look at the products a little closer and kind of see what the build's all about. This is the most expensive build I've ever done. I'm not sure what it ended up being, but it's around, I'm going to say it's around $25,000. That's including the price of the bike, which was $10,500, I believe. Okay, guys, it's got stock brakes front and rear. I like the stock brakes. It does not have different wheels or anything on it. The stock wheels and hubs are excellent. You just got to keep up with the spoke maintenance. I've got videos on that. I don't change wheel assemblies in builds. I mean, I've got spare wheel assemblies from Warp 9 that I use, but there's nothing wrong with the stock wheels. And a lot of companies change them in their little magazine builds to bling out the bike. I'm not into bling. I'm into functionality, performance, anything that benefits how the bike works. I see I forgot the tugger here. He's got a front tugger on it. I think that's about it. Excellent running bike. Handles great. It's a lot of fun to ride. He's going to be here in a couple days. We're going to go do a little testing, and I highly encourage you guys to get out and ride. You know, summer's here. Colorado trails are opening up. If you guys have got a plan, so today is June something, 6th or 7th or something. It's too early to get deep into the mountains. Places like Sargent's and Taylor Park, those are not open yet. Can't really get a loop in because of the higher elevation areas are still snowed in, but they'll be open pretty quick, couple weeks probably. So get out and ride, guys. Be a great trail ambassador. Please join our YouTube channel and like us on there, and join all of our other media, Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. I believe that's about all for now, guys. Get out and ride, tear up some tires. Ciao.